Utilizing advanced robotics, we collect the raw venom. It is then rapidly filtered and frozen, resulting in the high...
The yield projections on the green markers are exceeding the baseline.
Confirmed. We should route 4C to extraction immediately.
The snake, secured in the restraint system, passes under a localized UVC array and a fine mist of pharmaceutical. Once the snake is confirmed ready for extraction, the stabilization module is magnetically coupled to a high-speed The fresh, liquid raw venom is automatically flushed into a bulk sterile pooling container, creating a standardized batch.
Raw liquid venom moves rapidly on a refrigerated track to the deep freezing zone, stabilizing enzymatic activity.
The segmented, frozen white blocks of raw venom are automatically loaded into the industrial lyophilizer.
The lyophilized venom is transferred by a robotic arm into a stainless steel milling machine, ensuring standardized particle size.
A robotic probe extracts microsamples of the SS-20 base, ensuring homogeneity before the... A specialized robotic bioassay system tests the functional potency of the sea snake serum. The amber glass vials are moved along a fast-paced conveyor belt to an automated capping machine, where sterile stoppers are...
the robotic arm on Bogasti Menstrual.
SETI Serum Kit.
The concentrated venom is precisely mixed with the derived immunoglobulins, initiating the crucial neutralization phase.
The highly purified polyvalent antivenom serum emerges as a crystal clear, pale yellow liquid. This
The flow rate looks good post-filtration.
Yes, sterility confirmed for this batch.
high-speed volumetric pumps precisely dispense the crystal clear, pale yellow liquid polyvalent antivenom serum into each sterile glass vial. The automated system uses AI pattern recognition to ensure the product is absolutely clean. A zero-tolerance
Individual boxes of polyvalent antivenom serum are conveyed to a collation station, where robotic machinery groups.
The temperature log confirms the cold chain integrity. Everything is in order.
Understood.
Please sign for the receipt of the antivenom serum. I need immediate confirmation on this dosage. Is this the Process A serum?
Confirmed, doctor. 50 milligrams.
Polyvalent Antivenom Serum is engineered for stability, ensuring readiness for deployment even in the most challenging coastal environments.
We emphasize maintaining the cold chain at all times. Adhere strictly to the precise dosage instructions for this.
The Polyvalent Antivenom Serum completes its journey from the factory floor to the front line, securing its vital place in this remote environment.
The data clearly shows that the Polyvalent Antivenom Serum has directly led to a 40% increase in survival rates globally.
A remarkable recovery, showcasing the life-saving potential of the Polyvalent Antivenom Serum.